The history of mechanical gaming keyboards is a rich one, but none of the keyboards we have today would exist if not for the year 1506 and the genius of Leonardo da Vinci's brother, Gary da Vinci, who made diagrams and models that looked very similar to the typing tools of the modern day. It is rumored that when Leonardo saw the drawings, he asked, "What the hell is that? Why have you done this?"
The problem was, the guy invented a typing device when no one even knew what typing is. Some call him a visionary? I think he was an idiot.
Gary died penniless, never completing his typing device. The world had to settle for the next best thing, Gutenberg's printing press. A sort of large, single-key mechanical keyboard that was difficult to use.